Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about Zoho Project. So Zoho Project is a website or I should say a tool that you can use to successfully and more efficiently navigate your business projects. So this website offers a lot of different services that you can use to basically improve your project management. So as you can see here, we have the part of the website called Work Overview. Now in this part, let's just go to tasks. You have all of your different tasks within your project laid out. So these tasks can be shown to you in three different ways. So this is the Kanban way. As you can see, it's divided into closed, in progress, canceled, and review, etc. You have the classic way, which is shown to you basically like this. So in these different categories, and then you have plain, which will just show you a long list. So as for the tasks themselves, so you can basically add however many tasks you want. You just click on add task, and then here you select the project name, you add the name of the task, you add the description. You can also add any project. You can add subtasks. You can add if we click on a task here, you will see that under every task you have here called comments, subtask, log hours. So you can add subtasks, you can add comments, and all of these things you can add different people to do. So all you have to do here is click on plus, click on add, and then here you click on user, and you add your employees. So you add your user employee. Here you can have a role for them: employee, administrator, manager, contractor, profile as well. You can just make them a read-only user so they don't have actually the control of the website. And yeah, you can assign different people to different projects. You can track how they are doing. Here also you have the issues part of the website. So basically all of the issues that pop up will be here. You have milestones, so you can add different milestones during the project, so what you want to achieve, and then timesheets as well. Also here you have the feed part. Here everything that is being changed or is being done will pop up. So basically it's like social media for this this website. It will show you everything that's going on. In the discuss part, basically is a chat room, so you can add different chat rooms for different topics if you need something to be done. Reports, here they will so you can create reports, you can see reports, whatever. Calendar, so your business calendar, and then project itself, so different projects that you have going on. So I would say that this is definitely a very useful website, useful tool for those people that need it. It will change your the way that you control your products. It will definitely make everything go faster, make everything more smooth, and I would definitely use this if I needed it. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful.